Yes, hello, good morning everyone. Today we're gonna be cooking our special pancakes. Let us start now with our ingredients. Number one, we have a pancake mix. Then next is the milk. We need a milk. And then also the next is apple. We need apple for the toppings. Next is egg. And then, because we don't have the sugar, the brown sugar, we need the syrup. Next is oil. So come on, let's go guys. So first, we have to peel the apple. Then the next thing to do is to caramelize this apple. So let's go. One thing I forgot to mention in the ingredients is the cinnamon. So we'll put cinnamon in for the fillings or toppings. The apple, caramelized apple. So we already put the sugar syrup. Now let's put the cinnamon powder. It will add fragrance to the toppings. And of course, we'll mix it. So ayan, luto na. I-set aside natin. Now, let's prepare the pancake mix. So I have here egg. Let's just beat it first. Wow. And then 1/2 cup of milk. Iba-butter lang natin siya. Half cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. And then let's put the flour mix, pancake mix. Then mix it. Then, wag na nating masyadong i-mix kasi pancake to eh. Then let it sit for a minute and it's ready to cook. Ito na guys, let's eat. This is it. Pansit. Bye-bye.